Welcome back once again to our channel. In the next
Excuse me, boss.
In the next 1 day, 13 hours plus. But if you go to their website, it's about 2 days plus. So, but I'm going to give you all those informations. Gate.io will be listing VEE.Finance in their exchange. So I'm going to drop more of the details you need in the description box below. I don't want to make my videos to be long. At the same time, you're just complaining and leaving my channel. I just want to make it very short for you, but giving you what you just need to hear. So I'll drop all these requirements in the description box below, then you can do your own research, because this is not a financial advice. It's just a recommendation, or it's just a notice for you to be aware of this project and all of that. So please do your own diligence in this project, and then you are good to go. So let's go to CoinMarketCap and look at this project. Even though they are saying that it's still at the stage of ICO or whatever, but the project is already available on CoinMarketCap. You can see the current price of the project, about 8 cents. So you can do your own diligence and get involved if you're interested. Please do your own research. Now let's see if we can see where we can actually buy this token from. We can actually buy this token only from Pangolin network, that's the only source you can actually buy it from right now. So that is the only source. I think this project will really fly. This project will really fly. Now what I'm going to do now is, let me pause this video. Okay, now let's just go to Gate.io. Here we're having about 2 hours remaining, 2 hours 16 hours. That's about 2 days plus, or 3 days. So let me pause this video and then do more extra research to go to their Telegram group and see what they're talking about. I'll be with us soon. Okay, welcome back. So here we are on the Telegram group. There are about 31,000 plus members. Someone is already asking this question here. And you send Avas coin and your VAT network, blah blah blah. So you do your own research. But what I'm seeing here, since Gate.io is the first centralized exchange to do this, I believe it's going to really do well. Like, I'm not promising you if it's going to pump 10x 5x. No, do your own research. Thank you so much. I'll also drop in the description box a link to our Telegram group. Do it to join us to get more more recent information about cryptocurrency tradings and things related. I also give free calls to people that are also trading. In case you're also having issues with your trade, I'll also help you, guide you on what you need to do instead of losing money in your trade. Don't worry, just come alongside to the Telegram group. I'm going to render the kind of help you need to get the result you're looking for. Thank you, and please remember to subscribe to our channel for more quick updates. Love you.